Hey guys, this is Dino here, and this will be a quick Q&A session. The questions were posted on the community tab, and there were about seven or so questions at the time of this recording. So if you guys posted some other questions, make sure to post them in the next Q&A tab, which will be opened, I guess, 2 weeks after this. So welcome to the channel once again. And before we begin, just a quick message: make sure to join the Discord. We have a lot of suggestions in the Discord server, suggestions regarding to the story. And if you ask any of my Discord members, I always pay attention to the suggestions that are given, and I also incorporate those suggestions into my stories. For example, Dunsparce, the Dunsparce being a part of Ash's team in the Dragon Clan series came from that particular suggestion itself, and some other things also, which will be revealed later on as the story continues. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the first question. This is from SJ Musics. Will you give Ash any other legendary Pokemon other than Latias in the What If Ash was born in the Dragon Clan? Uh, Not as of now, but in the second season, definitely. I'm actually waiting for the new games to be released so we could get some 600 stats legendary Pokemon, which are Dragon. For example, like don't be surprised if I gave him Latios also. It would be a cool touch to have both the Yon duos, like no, not both the Yon duos, like both the members of the Yon duos in the same team. I don't think that's ever been done before. And then we could have a cool match between Ash and Tobias down the line, maybe. So let's see. Zelzy, who's also a member of the Discord server, if I'm not mistaken, always gives pretty cool insight into the stories, which I myself never noticed. So, what made you do? What made you want to do What If specifically? The Naruto Pokemon one, especially the way you did it. I'm always a fan of merged universes, not necessarily crossovers, like using the elements of one existing story and incorporating them to an entirely different one. And I think that what ifs are very interesting to a lot of people. I think we can implement that idea of what if into our lives and just see that what if a few things went differently, how different our life would be overall. And I'm going to tell you right now, the first what if that I ever watched was a Dragon Ball What If series. It was What If Future Gohan Survived, and it was from Broku72. I don't think he uploads anymore, but that guy was awesome for the time that he uploaded. So shout out if you see this. Thank you so much. And yeah, I just find it really interesting when someone takes an existing stories and tries to uh, implement their own ideas. Just insert their own imaginations to an existing stories, and most of the times that makes it an entirely different stories with different plot, different character developments. I think a prime example of this is the Naruto what ifs. For example, Anime X, who I think is the goat of telling what if stories. There's no one better than him, not even close. So if you watch his videos, you can clearly see just a single tweaking of a single detail can change the entire story. So that's why I did this, and I have a knack of for picking Pokemon for any characters. And shout out to True Green 7. He is a guy who owns an art channel. I'm sure that you have watched his videos. Some of my subscribers definitely have. And he made this series called uh, Pokemon Teams for Anime Characters. So I just got some ideas from there. Not entirely, but a few. Next question is from Aryan Mishra. When the next part of What If Ash was born in the Dragon Clan will come? भाई पार्ट तो डाल दिया तुम क्या पार्ट के बाद क्वेश्चन डाला था या पहले पता नहीं Japanese anime official make what if of yourself as trainer Dino a kid from Kanto region. No, I will not because I think making your own character is pretty lame. So maybe if I get to 1000 subscribers, then maybe let me know if you guys are interested in that because I'm personally not, especially in the Pokemon universe. Maybe Naruto. Maybe I could be an Itachi clone. I don't know. Let's see. Charlie's art trainer. Will you make Lance give Ash a Charmander which he can mega evolve into Mega X? No, that's lame. I mean, he already has a Mega Sceptile. Why would you want him to have Mega Charizard X? And Mega Charizard X has been featured in, like, Alan has a Mega Charizard X. Ash does not need any Charizard, I think, personally. This is from Harish Ahir. Will you make What If Ash was born in different region? Wait till 2021. I have something planned. I'm just waiting on something to get released. That's a spoiler right there. Once again from Charlie's art trainer. Who's the third trainer from Galar? It's Sasuke Uchiha. I think that I dropped a pretty solid and obvious hint regarding that. So yeah, so that's it guys. That were all the questions. It was fun for 6 minutes, I guess. So in the next time, try to have a little more questions so we could have a decent conversation. And the next video will be out, I think, 1 or 2 weeks later. I have to deal with some exams and stuff. So until then, be well. Make sure to join the Discord once again, and God bless.